Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Today I'm going to do Nina Ribina art journal prompt. She has a Facebook group and well, she has prompts every week. And this is week 3 of Inspired By. And well, I'm going to make a journal page. I don't have a canvas, so I'm just going to make a journal page, a little journal page on how do you call that? Mixed media paper. Well, I will turn the camera a bit straight, like so. Okay. I'm inspired by Yvonne Coomber, or maybe you say Yvonne Coomber, this painting. Flowers on some kind of beach, I think. I don't know. Golden Days it's called. So I'm going to try to make something like that. I got some paint, acrylic paint, water it down, and I have a sponge brush, dabber, how do we call that thing? I will wetten my paper a bit, and then I'm going to well, this is a bit too yellow. I would like to have a bit more brownish, so I'm putting a bit another color through it, mixing it up. Mustard. Oh, so I'm back. The cart was full, so I watered down my paint. I'm afraid I don't have it watery enough. I should have ground my brush into water. So I will clean the brush now. Put that aside for a moment. Come on, yeah. So just clean it, and then I'm getting the blue. A bit water in my sponge. Do it that way, and mixing up the blue. And then I hope it's watery enough. It's way too dark. Well, it is what it is. Maybe I'm doing it with water alone. And the sky, I don't like it. It's way too dark, so I will wetten it. Take some tissue paper, like so. Maybe I should do it with watercolor. I don't know. This is acrylic paint. And like I said, it's way too... Cleaning the brush again. Water it down a bit. Like so. A bit of pink. Well, maybe I should dry it first. Just a bit yellow, a bit water on the yellow. And then a bit blue here. That should be the sea, I hope. Now with the dry brush, take some paint away. Well, and a bit pink again over here. Well, it's not smooth, it's not blending well, but hey, it is what it is. And it's the background, so maybe it will be fine later on. So I will dry it now, and when it's dry I'll be back. So it's dry now, and I'm going to add some more pink. Some more pink. That's a lot of pink, I'm afraid. No, no. A bit pinkish. Like so. And a bit of blue for the horizon. Like so. Well, it's not the way I wanted it to be, but well, I could use some gesso it over and then do it again, but I think I'm going to leave it this way. Now I'm going to make some splatters with my fan brush, and I'm going to use, I have to pick some colors. I will use blue. Well, I will water it down a bit, and then I will make some splatters, I hope. Well, this is it, and I will put some kind of picture, I think, yeah, from Yvonne Coomber's picture somewhere here, so you can a bit compare. Well, you shouldn't, but okay, then you know which painting inspired me. So that's it. Thank you, Nina, for this beautiful prompt. Thank you for watching. Bye.